Today I've got a super cute kawaii bubble tea cake idea for you. I even add real boba. So kawaii. Inspired by the boba tea drink I made for my brother's birthday. Hey you, it's me, Rox of RoxStarBakes. Because adults need cute things too. I cook boba tapioca pearls, strain them, and then soak them in brown sugar. Yum! This is such a fun birthday cake, especially for the summer. Start with one batch of my Swiss meringue buttercream recipe. I colored it 2 shades of pink purple. Perfect amount for this cake. I use a 6-inch on the base of the cake and a 5-inch acrylic disc on top. I adhere my cooled cake layer. I add a little buttercream to the first layer and spread it with my angled spatula. Then I make a border, aka buttercream dam. Scoop, scoop, scoop that boba. Add a little more buttercream and spread around that angled spatula. See, that border keeps all the boba together. Add the second cake layer. Make sure it's all even from the sides. I use my 2 cake scrapers to see how even it is. Remember to press down to firm the cake. And repeat that filling process. Make sure that all the spaces are filled in with frosting. This cake has an awesome texture because each layer is moist, but then in between has this awesome squishy boba texture. Add that final layer. And even out the cake layers. Press, press, press. You can see me kneeling down to check that everything looks great. This cake is best eaten the day of because boba gets hard. I sure up the sides with buttercream using an angled spatula. Refrigerate for 15 to 30 minutes to firm things up. Helps make frosting easier and the layers are less likely to slip around. Okay, let's get into the crumb coating and decorating. Spread a thin layer of frosting and then scrape the excess away. This locks in the moisture and captures the crumbs. I pipe some frosting to the top of the cake. This is purple. Smooth it out. Add a parchment round. Then add acrylic round that's covered with plastic wrap. Center it. Center it with cake scrapers. I level it. Tighten with angled spatula. Refrigerate. Fill bottom with light pink frosting. I smooth with a cake scraper along the way. The 2 colors meet in the middle. I mix 2 colors of buttercream. Add it. Smooth out the cake. Kind of an ombre effect. I added a cake board and then flip. I thought this would be a lot scarier, but it's actually pretty easy. The larger dish should have plastic wrap on it so it's easier to slide off the cake. Fill the spot with buttercream. I use a guide to make the fondant base. I add a face to make this a kawaii cute cake. I use 1/2-inch gumballs to decorate the cake because they look like boba. These seem like the perfect size. I found it best to carve out the space for the balls. I add a seal of the special order Japanese saran wrap. So you know what's hilarious to me? I thought this saran wrap was gonna be yellow based on the website description, but it was not as advertised. It's like clear saran wrap. Yeah. It's scented yellow. Turns out it was scented, and it's not citrus. I think it got lost in translation. I think adding saran wrap gives the effect of bubble tea. Yes, that's parchment paper there, but I remove it. Makes it easier to apply. So I cut the scented saran wrap just bigger than the cake, so there's a little plastic over the edge of the cake, so it looks like a boba tea that I can get at a restaurant. Partway through the process, I decided there needs to be more boba, so I add that. Poke a hole in the saran wrap and cake to add the large straw. I thought the best way to make a proportional bubble tea straw was to use a giant hollow cake dowel and some washi tape. The straw cutting was awesome. So I struggled with the straw, but eventually I got it. I insert the straw on an angle to the side for optimal cuteness. Whoa, MG. Boba tea cake success. Ooh, ah. If I made this cake again, I'd tighten the frosting more so there was less of it. Uh-oh. Wait, did I get the clip already? I'm Boba tea. If you enjoy cake ideas, coming up is a playlist. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Yay! Fresh air. It smells like those Tide dryer sheets. Like, that's exactly what I want to put on my food. Fresh scent. It's so fresh. Thank you, Japanese products. Saran wrap.